Good morning, student. Today we will learn about the fodder crops. Sorghum, bajra, cowpea, guara, they are known as the fodder crops. So bajra also known as the pearl millet. It is cultivated in 1.51 lakh hectare in 18-19 session. It is a fodder crop, and the best part of this crop is that it can withstand agroclimatic conditions. And what can be the good rotation? That is bajra, maize and barsim. Improved varieties are PCV 165, PHBF 1, PCV 164, FBC 16. And what is the agronomic practices? Time of sowing है March to August, and the March May sown crop is the main fodder crop, and it can be grown with the mixture of cowpea also. How to prepare the land? 2 or 3 deep plowing followed by planking. This is maximum in all the fodder crops. Seed rate and method of sowing is 6 to 8 kg per acre. Broadcasting method or in rain-fed area with pora in rows 22 centimeter apart. No tillage can also be a system for the growing of bajra as a green fodder. And fertilizer application is 10 ton per acre of farmyard manure or compost and 44 kg urea. Irrigation, 2 or 3 irrigations usually sufficient in hot season. More irrigation may be required in hot season, and standing water is harmful because of it. The waterlogging condition should be avoided. And harvesting crop should be harvested at year initiation or soon after the flag leaf, that is 45 to 50 days after sowing. So it also escape the attack of the ergot disease at the flowering stage. So if infected fodder is fed to cattle, it can cause finger and toe disease and abortion also. How the seed production of the parental lines of hybrid PHBA1 is given below. Female parent 408A and male parent PIB213. And the plant protection is done with the insect pest is the root bug. The insect caused damage to bajra crops in southwestern districts. Grasshopper, grey weevil and pyrella also attack the crops. Main diseases is the ergot. Ergot disease is caused by a fungus. The name of fungus is Claviceps fusiformis. At blossoming, a pinkish or light colored fluid that is known as the honeydew exclude from the spikelets in different parts of the ear. So later dark sticky patches appear on the ear, and the small dark brown sclerotia appearance is in place of grains between the glumes. So seed set is poor and completely inhibited. The ovary is replaced by fungal mass with the many folds on its surface, and the fungal perpetuates through the seed borne and the soil borne sclerotia. And contaminated grains, if fed to the cattle, used by human, being a cause of poisoning. So for cattle, do not feed the infected air, showing honeydew symptoms to cattle, and even the stem and leaves to such plants is not safe for cattle. For human being, immerse the grains in 10% salt solutions before the consumption. Prevention of forgot, how we can prevent is fungal disease. Immerse seed in 10% salt solution and remove the sclerotia and small balls by skimming, and wash the seed in ordinary water and dry it thoroughly. Burn the ears infected with honeydew as soon as they are observed in the field. And after harvesting the crop, bury the debris with the furrow turning plow so that the agar sclerotia rot in the soil. And after threshing the agar affected crops, the leftover ear heads of the bajra in the threshing floor should also be burnt. Avoid sowing bajra next year in a field in which crop has suffered heavily from the agar. So maize again is a fodder crop. Maize we have already done. It is an important kharif fodder crop. And Punjab it is 0.76 lakh hectare area was cultivated in last year, and 50 to 60 days become available for harvesting, and its fodder is considered good for animals. And climate is soil requirement, land preparation same in the maize we have already done. And rotation is with Barsim, Bajra, maize plus cowpea. J1007, J1006 is the varieties that is recommended by Agriculture University. Seed rate is 30 kg per acre, and sowing in middle of September or the first week of March, from first week of March till the middle of September. And seed cum fertilizer drill can also be used, and it can be sown mixing with the cowpea also, that is 15 gram seed of maize with 50 gram kgs is 50 kg seeds of cowpea, 88 or 6 kg of CL 367 per acre. Weed control is atrazine, that is 800 gram per acre. And fertilizer 10 tons per acre of good quality farmyard manures. And potash 1/3 of nitrogen, mitigate zinc deficiency. And fodder maize shows a remarkable response in application of the nitrogen. Irrigation 4 to 5 irrigations in during summer, and during kharif season irrigate the field as per rains. Harvesting 50 to 60 days after sowing. And seed production recommended by composite maize. Plant protection is maize borer mostly affect this fodder crop in March to October. Best is to uprooted the affected plant and destroy, and all we can spray the 40 ml Corazon in 60 to 80 liter of water per acre. Once we have sprayed, we have to wait till 21 days before it is fed to the kettles. Then other disease is the fall armyworm. So larva we जो है that is on the central wall of leaves cause round to oblong holes and produce a large amount of fecal matter. And this larva is identified by predominant white color, inverted Y-shaped mark on the head, and 4 spots arranged in square pattern at the tail. So prefer mixed cropping of fodder maize with cowpea, bajra and sorghum, 30 kg per acre. And again spray with the Corazon 18.5 SC at the rate of 0.4 milliliter per liter using 120 liter of water per acre up to 20 days old crop. And we have to keep in mind that we should not feed the fodder crop till 40 days after application of insecticide.